Good morning my dear children. Welcome to science class of grade 2. I hope all my dear children are very safe at home. Today we are going to start our new block. What is the name of our new block? That I wrote already on the board. All of you look at the board. Animals are different. It is very interesting to study about the animals. About the animals you may learn many things from your previous classes itself. Okay, let's start our new block. Our today's lesson is land and water animals. Land and water animals. Students, read the name of the lesson one more. Land and water animals. So now we learn two new words. Which are they? One is land and next is water. Look at the spelling of the land. L-A-N-D and water W-A-T-E-R. Okay. To learn this lesson very properly, we have a resource sheet in our workbook. I will show you that. Look here all of you, we can see many animals here. Okay, cat is here, duck is here and whale is here. Many animals are here. So, shall we write the names of these animals on the board? If you know the names of more animals, we can add that also. Okay, let's start writing. So, which is the first one? First animal is cat. Next is duck. Then who's that? Elephant. Very good. Elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal on the land. Next, another whale. Very good. Next, shark. Okay. Snake. Next one, giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Okay. Then next, crocodile. Then which will be the next? Lion. Very good. Then tiger. Okay. So we got the names of many animals. Okay, which are they? Cat, duck, elephant, whale, shark, snake, giraffe, crocodile, lion, tiger. Okay, our next step is to classify these animals under two heads. Which are the two heads? Now we are going to classify these animals under two heads. Which are the two heads? Very good. One is land and next is water. Okay, let's classify them. Land and water. Now students, you don't sit simply, take your notebook and you can divide this first page of your notebook into two like this, and you have to color it with the two colors. Which are the colors you know? One is green and another is blue. On the green side, we are going to write the names of animals which are living on land, and on the other side means blue side we are going to write the animals which are living in water. What is the color of water? Blue, right? So okay, we can write the names of water animals in blue side. Students, for you I have prepared one chart which contains the land animals and water animals. Okay, let's have a look on that. Which are the land animals? Lion, tiger, cheetah, cat, cow and hen. Okay, next, water animals, and different types of fishes are there. Shark is here, and these are the two categorization, land animals and water animals. Students, did you notice any similarities among the animals living on land? Look here, just think about it. Did you find any similarities among the animals living on land? Okay. Yes, we can see these all animals can run, jump, etc. and they have legs to walk also. So, what is the similarities among the animals living on land? The land living animal have legs, and but some exceptional cases are also there, like a snake. Do they have legs to walk? No, they don't have legs. Except a snake, all the other animals have legs. Then what about the water animals? Do they have legs? Do they have legs? No, they don't have legs. What helped them to survive in water? Look at the picture, all of you. What helped them to swim in the water? They have tails and fins to swim in the water, and also they are breathing through their gills. So, land animals and water animals are different from each other. Yes, these water animals have fins and tails to swim in the water, and they have gills to breathe. Do they have legs? No, they don't have legs. What about the land animals? They have legs to walk. Okay, we can see another animals which can survive both on land and in water. What helped them to survive them in both places? Which are the animals living both on land and in water? See the picture, all of you. One is frog, another is duck. This is the picture of another duck. Okay. Animals live both land and water. Frog and duck. Crocodile also. And what is special for them? What are the special features helping them to survive comfortably both on land and in water? See their legs, all of you. Look at the legs of these animals. They have webbed feet. What is special for them? They have webbed feet which help them to walk and swim. Okay, today's lesson, students, we learn 3 new words. So, which are the key words we learned today? So, I will write the key words on the board. Tell me in louder. Land, water, and the next new word is webbed feet. Very good. And that's all for today. വേണ്ടല്ലോ കഴിഞ്ഞില്ല ഒരു ലെസണും കൂടെ ഉണ്ട് Students, our next lesson from the block animals are different is running speed of animals. Running speed of animals. Can you run very faster? Yeah, madam also can run very faster. Okay. So, today we are discussing about the running speed of the animals. So, students, when do you need to run very faster? Yeah, in some difficult situation we have to run very faster to save ourselves safe. Okay, for an example, if a dog chases you, what will you do? Will you stay there? No, we will not stay there because we want to stay safe from the dog. For that we need to run very faster, then only we can protect ourselves. Okay, so animals also need to run very faster. Why these animals need to run very faster? Do you think about it? Today we will compare the running speed of the animals. Okay, so for that I will write the names of some animals on the board. Okay, first cat, next which animal is this? Very good, giraffe. Then next elephant. Students, just imagine that these animals are conducting a running race. So which animal will be the winner of this running race? Can you guess? Which animal will be? Will it be the cat? No. Then giraffe? Yes, very good. Giraffe will become the winner. He will get first prize in the running race. Why do you say so? Why? Yeah, giraffe is the animal which has long legs. And what about its body? Its body is very thin. Okay, I will show you the picture of giraffe. This is giraffe. Look at its legs, how long it is. And what about its body? Its body is very thin. And next is which will be in the second position? Elephant or cat? Will it be the elephant? No. It will be the cat will get the second prize in the running race because the cat has long legs, not that much long, but it has legs and its body is very thin, lightweight body. What about the elephant? Can it run very faster? No, the elephant's body is very heavy. Can it run very faster? No, it cannot. So elephant will be the last position, third position. So what helps the animal to run very faster? What helped the giraffe to run very faster? What kind of body parts help them? Giraffe has long legs and its body is very thin and lightweight. Cat also have the same features. What about the elephant? Elephant's body is very heavy. If you need to run very faster, you have to reduce the weight of your body. Okay, children? Then elephant will become the third prize winner because its body is very heavy. Okay. Then students, I am thinking, why these animals need to run very faster? Do you have any guess? Yes, these animals are eating the other animals. So for their food and to get their food, they need to run very faster. Okay. Then why the plant eating animals also need to run faster? Yes, because they need to get safety. They have to be safe from the other animals which are trying to eat them. Okay. So today in today's class we learn one new word. Which is the key word we learned today, students? Which is the key word? Today's key word is fast or speed. Students, don't forget to learn the spellings of the keywords and read your content book 2-3 times very well. and we have workbooks, and you have to complete the 2 lessons of the workbook with the help of your parents. And also if you have any doubt, you can ask me, I will clarify your doubts. Thank you.